Bang it. Boop, boop. There's your fatigue. Check them on the bumble. You already know. There's your fatigue. Check it, nigga. Oh, I'm back. Cool. All right, so look. When I get to Senegal, I'm definitely going to see my Cheikh. Cheikh Beicho. There's your Barkey. Then I'm going to see Cheikh Ndigeuel. I've got to go see Cheikh Ndigeuel. I got to go sit days and talk with Cheikh Ndigeuel for quite some time. Then, after that, I must go sit and holler at the general, because General Modou, that's my dude. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to attempt to give you like a commissary why. See, I like General Modou because it's a black man, he's a general. It's an African, he's a general. Shaka Zulu, anyway, my name's Zulu, Shaka Zulu, he was a great general. So when I see another general in our time, and I want to see how he get down. So this right here is Zikroulah, General Modou KARA, and Mbacké, a descendant of Shaka Modou Bamba. Barkey. Shaka Modou Bamba. Ooh, man. So he's gonna come in. I'm gonna try to give you some commentary in my really stupid opinion. Though I did graduate the seminary, shout out to Dr. Bishop Sam Fisher, that would be Higher Learning International Seminary Institute, for the painstaking hours that we put in there, which turned me out to be a doctor. And don't even worry about that. I'm not gonna get too deep in that, because just because they gave me a doctor degree, you know, the paper makes me a doctor, but La ilaha illallah made me a roster. Give thanks. General Modou KARA, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so as you can see, he's entering the courtyard right now, and he's checking out the troops. Everything look good? That Jeff Serene Tuba. That Jeff Serene. So when he come on the set, first thing coming out of his mouth, because you see he got the beads in his hand. See that? So when he come on and he letting everybody know, as soon as he enter the thing, it's all about Serene Tuba. It's not about General Modou KARA. It's about Serene Tuba. So that's first. Bang. Oh, you heard that. Kadim Rasul. Pay attention. Kadim Rasul. Okay? Now, he is now going to check out the line and see if everything is intact. All right. It's looking good. Things is looking real crispy. Everyone's did they weird. See, he already know if you did your weird for the day. He can tell he's checking it out. See, this is a mystical thing going on here. It ain't just physical. He know if you did your weird for the day or not. So he's checking the line out. He's checking, he's getting in the ranks right now. Everything looks good. It's looking good here. All right. You seen that? You seen that? You caught that? You caught that? That mean, let's get it started. Oh, they about to turn up. Watch this. Now, I'm going to break down what they saying because it's in the African language. So ease up. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me lie down in the green pastures. He restoreth my soul. Now, it's on warp speed, so they just jump to the Lord's Prayer. Stay with me, okay? Thy Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Now, we just travel. This is universal, man. Love is universal. So we just went around the world. So if you in India or something like that, that meant Om Gom Ganapati Namu Nahama. Om Namah Shivaya. Ethiopia. Rastafari. Higher heights, deeper depths. You with me? Ladies, that did not mean put on your red dress. See for your high heels. Cut it out. You like all them chocolate men though. You like, yeah, Africa, baby.